Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज की वीडियो में I am going to be reviewing Latafa Victoria fragrance with you guys. Now this is the latest launch from Latafa and it is finally available in India. I purchased this one from sentopiaperfumes.com and I have my review ready for you guys. Now I do have a non-affiliated discount coupon code with Sentopia Perfumes in case you want to avail the discount and get some good deals. I will leave the details here. It's non-affiliated. I'm not earning a penny out of it, so feel free to use it if you want to avail some discount. Let's jump into the review of this one and let's get started. Before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Alright, jumping into the packaging, this is one of the most gorgeous packagings from Latafa, which is not overdone and it is just up to the mark and up to the name. You know, it's living up to the name of Victoria, which is like a more historical kind of a background. This is how gorgeous this box is. It has this nice kind of like effect going on of this sky, creamy sky, and then you have like this mirror like structure saying Victoria. You have these golden lines and these dots and circles. So gorgeous, like absolutely love this kind of a packaging. If you see here, they have this kind of like crystals put here and this is like a cushiony thing going on. My god, the thought that they've put into this is just amazing. You have the quality assurance sticker, all the details are mentioned here. Absolutely love this fragrance box and this is very giftable. It does remind me of those Victorian antique kind of things, and the bottle is again gorgeous. Like, look at the grooves that this bottle has. It has the same sky effect going on. The perfume name is mentioned here in golden with a very beautiful font as well. The details on the cap of this is insane, like absolutely insane. I love this packaging. Latafa, well done. You are living up to the name of Victoria with this kind of packaging. It looks like that beautiful Victorian mirror on the wall, you know, it just has this wall painting kind of an effect going on. Perfect gifting and such a gorgeous scent. Let me show you the sprayer. This one is such an amazing sprayer and I don't want to waste it, so I'm putting my hand there. Yeah, this fragrance is a very gorgeous category of a vanillic citrusy fragrance meeting some white florals. Such a beautiful summer gourmand in my opinion. This one opens up with a note of lemon meringue pie, goes into neroli and vanilla. Now this is as simple as it gets in terms of the perfume notes, and trust me on this, it is a simple fragrance. It is kind of like non-complicated, but it smells divine. It smells ethereal in my opinion. And you know, this one, like the opening of a lemon meringue pie, that's exactly what this fragrance smells like. It smells like a spongy lemon cake with lots of icing and topping on it, mixing up with lot of kind of like vanillic nuances. And the neroli in this one kind of brings in a little bit of that brightness, that zestiness kind of a situation. Of course, the lemon meringue pie has lemon in it, so the zestiness is already there, and neroli is just adding on to that brightness in this fragrance. This is such a gorgeous start of the day kind of a fragrance. Very fresh, very uplifting, very simple, very non-offensive. Perfect balance of zestiness meets sweetness, and it, you know, just it's kind of like a happy fragrance, but a very sophisticated one as well. This one is said to be a dupe of Devotion by Dolce & Gabbana, and I really wanted to try my hands on that one, but the price tag was so high that I was kind of like, you know what, for a basic lemon zesty sweet fragrance I may not invest so much. So I was kind of like waiting for Latafa or some other brand to do a dupe of that, and I finally got my hands on this one. Now, my first kind of like thought process, I'm not saying first impression, my thought process on this fragrance was that please God, do not smell like that liquid Vim bar dish soap that we have, which is like so zesty and lemony and has this kind of like a earthy vibe to it as well. I was just praying that do not smell like a dishwash soap. Thank God that this is not like that, because that's how my brain was processing this fragrance to be. I was like, you know what, it's going to be a waste of money. I don't know why I'm trying this. I don't know why it's going viral. And I was like, you know what, I just have to try it to see what the hype is all about. And now I understand the hype around it. Such a creamy, fluffy, lemony, zesty, yet cake like fragrance. So sweet, so perfectly balanced. Such a good start of the day. Absolutely love this one. It's such a unique fragrance in my collection. I have never ever tried a zesty gourmand fragrance before, and this is such an experience to try. Love the packaging, love the vibe of this fragrance, love the fragrance, love how airy, fluffy this gourmand fragrance is. Perfect summertime wear. It's perfect daytime fragrance. Anytime, any season, you can wear it during daytime. So amazing. Such a perfect office going wear as well. Like, I've gotten tons of compliments when I wore this one. My friends loved it. I just went to meet over lunch and my friends were like, what are you wearing? This is so good. In my group, so the boys in my group, they also kind of loved this scent profile, and they even said that this is something that really goes well with my personality. So I don't know, this was like a kind of like a people pleaser. Nobody got offended with this fragrance, and this was a super duper hit in my opinion. Coming to the longevity and the performance on this one, this gives me around 7 to 8 hours with 10 sprays. Initially, when you spray 10 sprays, it does get a little clawing. It does kind of induce the headache. So go easy on the number of sprays if you are someone who has a sensitive nose. This gives me around 8 hours of longevity, and this projects the whole day. The projection in the first hour is strong, and then after that it kind of like becomes a nice and bubble around me, and only in the closer vicinity after 1 hour people will still get the wisp of it. I personally was getting wisp of this fragrance throughout those 8 hours, so I will say that this is quite a projective fragrance in that way. The sillage is moderate, it doesn't fill the entire room as such. Yeah, so the sillage is kind of like between weak and moderate. Overall, my rating on this one is as high as 9.5 out of 10. On Fragrantica, the rating is 4.56 out of 5. So not bad, right? My rating is 9.5 out of 10. I love the scent profile. I love how giftable this is. The price point is slightly steep. This is in the range of 3,500 or so, and I'll leave the exact price on Scentopia that is available right now in the screen somewhere, and I will share the link to this fragrance in the description box for you to check out. Overall, I'm loving this fragrance. I'm even considering kind of like gifting this sort of fragrance to my mom. I think she will also love the scent profile. This is something that I think each and every woman can enjoy. This is a very universally flattering fragrance. This is a banger from Lattafa. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I got my hands on this fragrance. I have no complaints. Even when the price tag is slightly steep, I have no complaints. Love the scent profile. Definitely want to have this in my collection forever, and this is a repurchase worthy fragrance in my opinion. So yeah, that concludes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this. If you did, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you are interested into more perfume content. I am bringing so many perfumes on this channel, and you do not want to miss out the new content. So stay subscribed, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.